Let's see the converse of alternate angle theorem. If a transversal intersect two lines, means only two lines are given and one transversal is intersecting. These two lines are there and T is intersecting them. And also given that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Means each pair of interior alternate angle, means this is the one pair, is this equal, given that angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate angles are given equal. Each pair means 1 and 3 equal, 2 and 4 equal. Then what we have to prove, that line AB is parallel to line CD. Now for that, if you want to prove any two lines are parallel, means you have to prove that the corresponding angle formed by the transversal with the lines are equal. That only means axiom of corresponding angle. So what is given here? Given that angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Now this is given to you. Now to prove, what to prove? That is line AB parallel to line CD. That means what you have to prove? You have to prove that corresponding angles are equal. Now for the 3, one of the pair we will prove, and similarly for all. Now angle 3, what will be the corresponding angle? This one is the corresponding angle for the 3. So we will take this as an angle 5. We will denote. Means what you have to prove? Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. These are the corresponding angle. As the corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So that is what you have to prove, that angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Now proof. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 3 given, it is given to you. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. It is given. To write the reason is very important. Okay, it is given to you. Now also angle 1 equal to angle 5. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Why? Vertically opposite angles. These are the vertically opposite angle as line AB and PQ intersecting at P. Now from 1 and 2, angle 1 major is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 major also equal to angle 5. That means implies that angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Now angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and these are corresponding angles made by transversal T with lines AB and CD. These are nothing but the corresponding angle. Therefore, by corresponding angle axiom, line AB parallel to line CD. And this you have to write. If you are not writing these reasons, you will lose the mark. Now try to write this angle, symbolically represented angle, in the 3 letters as we have done in previously. Now we will see the next theorem. Go. Now let us see the co-interior angle theorem, or also called as a consecutive angles. Means co-interior means 1 and 4, 2 and 3. These are the co-interior angles. Now theorem, if transversal intersect two parallel lines, means given that these two lines are parallel and transversality intersecting them, then means after then, whatever the statement after then is to prove, then each pair of consecutive or co-interior angles are supplementary. Now what is mean by supplementary? Supplementary means sum of that two angles should be 180. Now co-interior angles are 1 and 4 in this diagram. Now what is given, that AB parallel to CD. Line AB parallel to CD is given. Now what to prove? To prove that angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary means sum of this co-interior angle is 180. Now how to prove this? Okay. Now here we will write some name, that is here I will change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This angle is 8. Okay. Now we know that what we have to prove, if angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus 2 is 180, because on AB line T is intersecting, means this PQ is the ray standing on AB. So by linear pair axiom that we have already studied, 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Okay. Now let's see the proof. Now we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 4. Now we are going to use again the corresponding angle axiom and linear pair axiom. Now this PB, this ray PB stands on a line T. Ray PB stands on line T. So angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom, isn't it? Now, as the given lines are parallel, as AB parallel to CD, this implies that corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Now, angle 5 is equal to angle 3 by corresponding angle axiom. Okay, as lines are parallel. Now, as angle 5 equal to angle 3, put this value of angle 5 equal to angle 3 in this equation. What we will get? Angle 2 plus, instead of angle 5 we are writing angle 3 because both have the equal measure, that is 180 degree. Now angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, means angle 2 and 3 are the supplementary angle, and that only we have to prove. This implies that angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary, isn't it? Like that you have to prove this one, that is angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. If the question is of 3 marks, then you need to prove both, and if only 2 marks or more, then only do this and write the similarly, you can prove that. Now how to prove similarly? Now 6 plus 1, again ray PA stands, this you have to write properly, stands on line T, isn't it? This PA stands on line T. Therefore, angle 6 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Now, again, angle 6 is equal to angle 4, since corresponding angle axiom. Okay, you have to write complete name of a like that only. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, instead of angle 6 you can put angle 4. Therefore angle 4 plus angle 1 equal to 180, and that's how you are going to prove the theorem. Now we will see the converse of this. Now we have to prove the converse of co-interior angle. Now if a transversal intersect two lines. Here lines are not given parallel, that we have to prove. And each pair of co-interior angles are supplementary. Now you have given that the co-interior angle made by the transversal are supplementary, means their sum is 180. Then you have to prove that lines are parallel. Whenever you want to prove the lines are parallel, you have to prove their corresponding angles are equal. So what is given here? Given is each pair of corresponding angle. Each pair of co-interior angle, that is angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. This is given. Also angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is given to you. Now to prove. What to prove? You have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Line AB parallel to line CD. That is, you have to prove the corresponding angles are equal. Means angle 5 is equal to angle 3. If you prove this, that means that you are proving angle 5 is equal to angle 3. If you prove this, means these lines are parallel by. Now prove. You have given angle 2 plus angle 3. I am using this as 5. I have chosen this is equal to 180 degree. Why it is? It is given to you. Now also, if you observe angle 2 plus angle 5. Angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because ray PB stands on T. Therefore, these are forming the linear pair. And these are forming linear pair. Therefore, by linear pair exam, angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Now, RHS side, both sum of the both angle is 180. So, you can equate their LHSs. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 3 LHS equal to angle 2 plus angle 5. Now, same quantity is subtracted. So, you will get angle 3 is equal to angle 5. And angle 3 and 5 are nothing but are corresponding angles by transversal T. And as the corresponding angles equal, therefore by corresponding angle axiom, line AB parallel to CD. Line AB parallel to CD. Now, only just you have to keep in mind, if you want to prove the lines are parallel, that time you have to show that their corresponding angles are equal. That all part is going in the converse. Now, we have seen in this video all the theorems. First, co-interior angle theorem or interior alternate angle theorem, and this converse of co-interior angle theorem. Means we have seen the theorems and their converse. So go through it, write it properly, and we will see the example in next video.